In today's tutorial, I want to take you through geology of Abia State Shapefile. Geology of Nigeria is managed or mapped by an agency called Nigeria Geological Survey Agency. So you can go online and read about their functions. They are into geological mapping, mineral exploration, and geotechnical drilling. This is the geology of Abia State, and we have converted it to Shapefile. The essence of this conversion is to make it easier for people, especially researchers, to use it in creating their geological map. One of the challenges we encountered during the conversion is inconsistency in administrative boundary of Nigeria in general. So when you get administrative boundary from different sources, the geometry tends to be inconsistent. However, we try as much as possible to follow Nigeria Geological Survey Agency because they are the source of geological map used. So we tried as much as possible to adhere to their pattern in conjunction with administrative boundary from Office of the Surveyor General. This is the Abia State geological map that we have converted to Shapefile. So if I right click on the layer and open the attribute table, we can see the geology and the code as used by the Nigeria Geological Survey Agency. So we have done the conversion. Now if I come again and right click and open the properties, so come under symbology. Instead of single symbol, let's click on categories. So let's categorize using the geology name. Click on add all, then click on OK. So we can see the geological name, the geology of Abia State. Abia State is purely on sedimentary terrain. So you can see the different rock types in Abia State. So what is the essence of this? The essence of this is, for example, let's say you want to create geological map of your study area in Abia State. For example, this Bender local government area, this area. If you are interested in creating the geological map of this area, is once you have this shapefile, it's just a matter of clipping out your study area. If you need this shapefile, you can check the description box. Then to do that, just come to geoprocessing and click on clip. Under input features, we are going to put Abia Geology. Then clip feature will be our study area. Let's just save it in a folder and call it Geology. Click save and click on OK. So what we want to do is to cut out only this area of our interest. The clipping is done, so we can uncheck this bigger one. Let's zoom this to layer. Then we can right click and come to properties. So instead of single symbol, let's click on categories. Let's categorize using geology and click on add all values. Then click on OK. Now this is the geology of the study area we have clicked. So you can just use this to produce your geological map. To do that, take it to layout. Let's choose a template for it here. Let's use portraits and click on next. So click on finish. You can adjust your map and add all the necessary map elements like scale, legend, and map title to your map. So in essence, it is just to show you the conversion of geology of Abia State map to Shapefile. So if you need the geological map of Abia State, check the description box. is available. Thank you for watching.